pinadala na raw ni Miss Micaela yung payment nila para doon sa kanilang order. Check natin sa bangko kung nandun na. Then, pipick upin na natin yung molder nilang 4. So, let's go. Guys, nandito na nga yung payment. So, kukunin natin yung molder nila. So, tara na. Okay, so today naman, yung 4 na molder itetest natin. As you can see, may number na 1, 2, 3, 4. So, nire-ready namin yung pang-testing. Kaya, let's test later. Okay guys, as you can see, si Bol yung ating taga-test, yung ating tao sa Hollow Blocksan. Siya yung magte-test kit, ni-prepare niya yung ating mga materials, yung sand at saka yung cement. I-mix siya and then i-mold natin gamit yung 4 na molder na binili ni Ma'am Micaela. So, in a while, itetest na natin ito. Okay guys, so this is our number 1. Ito yung isa sa size 6 natin. Yan ang uunahin nating itetest. So ay nilalagyan na ni Master ng mixture ng cement at saka sand. Ayan. Okay. Okay. Lalayan mo labat, Master. Okay, Master, go. So, size 6 number 1. So, ayan na. Okay, testing successful. Okay, proceeding to molder number 2. Ito yung pangalawang size 6. So, nilalagyan na uli natin. Same procedure lang yung gagawin natin. So, ayan. Okay, Master, go. Okay, number 2 molder, size 6. Okay, perfect. Okay, proceeding with molder number 3. Ito naman yung isa sa size 4 natin. So, nilalagyan uli. Okay, so, ayan. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Okay. We're powering it out. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, successful uli ang number 3. Thanks. Okay, last but not the least, we're proceeding with the molder number 4. Isa na namang size 4 to. So, bali, dalawang 6, dalawang size 4 ang kinuha nila. Okay. So far, okay ang mga test natin. Walang sumasabit. Panay buo naman. Okay, ayan. Ayan. So guys, if you're planning to buy a quality molder, just approach us here. Okay, mag-comment lang kayo dito sa video natin. Okay. Okay, now let's release the mixture. Okay, there you go. Okay. Okay, let's go, Master. Let's go. Perfect. Okay. So guys, everything is perfect. So lalangisan lang yan. Lalangisan lang yan and ready for shipping. Okay. See you later, guys. So guys, we're done with the testing. Papalangisan ko lang dito kay Master ito. At mamaya, dadalhin na natin sa LBC ito. Ibabox na natin. Okay. Okay ma'am, so ready na for shipping ito. So ito na yung ano, nalangisan na. Yan, ayun yung mga boxes. Ibabox ko na siya yan. Okay, update ko po kayo.